Hello everyone, Earth.Otherwise here to continue our journey through game programming in C++ start to finish by Eric Yazwa. First, we download Lua from luabinaries.sourceforge.net or just Google Lua and go there, go to the downloads page and to the binaries version of that, and that's where I got it. Download the latest version and unzip the folder and place the contents of the include folder into a new folder in your include dependencies called Lua. The .dll goes in debug and release. The .a file is a library type called an archive. Put it with your other libs. Then in your game engine project, add it to your additional library dependencies for release and debug. Create a .h and .cpp file pair called Lua wrapper. Add to your engine's namespace. Include lua.h, laux.lib.h, and lualib.h. Create a structure that holds a Lua state pointer. Create a Lua init function that takes a Lua state pointer. Then create a Lua terminate function and an isLuaOK function that also takes a Lua state pointer. The isLuaOK function returns a boolean instead of a void and also takes an integer for the Lua function. In the .cpp in init, we'll set our passed in Lua state to lual_new state. We'll also call lual_openlibs, passing in our state. This lets us use the basic Lua libs, including libs that can be found in the Lua manual at lua.org/manual. These libraries are the basic library, which allows you to run script files, load strings, get tables, get global variables, etc. A coroutine library for multi-threading, a package library, which I don't understand what it does, a string manipulation library, which does just what it says, a basic UTF-8 support so that you can use all the letter numbers and whatnot, table manipulation, which manipulates tables, which are part of Lua, mathematical functions like sine, logarithm, etc., input and output, which is reading and writing to files, operating system facilities, which is access to the date, clock, sending commands to the OS, etc., and basic debug facilities, though Lua isn't the best at debugging. You should probably read the full manual if you're planning on using Lua extensively. I know I'll have to at some point. There are also a bunch of other third-party libraries that do things like graphs, audio, networking, etc. It's essentially a coding language in and of itself. In Lua terminate, we need to call Lua_close on the passed in Lua state. Then in isLuaOK, we'll check if the Lua function isn't equal to Lua_OK. If not, we throw an error. For our error message, we'll use Lua_toString, passing in our Lua state, and -1 for an index to the top of the stack of calls. Then return false, else return true. We're not going to do anything with Lua itself right now. However, what we've been doing with text files is something that Lua is very good at, holding config data. While we refactor, we're also going to be switching all of that over to Lua. So I'll see you in the next video when we start refactoring and rewriting our entire code database. I'll see you then.